In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up your Tangem wallet using the seedless backup route, which is what Tangem recommends for most users. And this is the setup route that makes Tangem so different from every other hardware wallet out there. I will also explain what seedless actually means, what happens if you lose a card, and what you need to do to make sure you never lose access to your crypto. If you don't have a Tangem wallet yet, there is a discount link in the description below, and if you have any other questions about the setup or anything regarding Tangem, drop it in the comments and I will answer you. Let's get into it. The seedless backup route is when the seed phrases are generated and encrypted directly into the physical cards themselves, so we ourselves can't even see them. So then we just need to keep these cards safe. If we lose all of our 2 or 3 cards, depending on which package you bought, we can't access our crypto anymore. So it's smart to store each of these cards in a separate safe location. As long as we have one card, we can access our crypto. Let's start with the seedless setup backup route by clicking Create Wallet here. We then scan the card that matches this number that you can find on the back of the cards. So we just hold it against the phone. Then it says no backup devices and asks if we want to add our card or ring. And yes, usually we want to add all of our cards as backups right away. So I click add and proceed to scan the second card. And if you got the third card, click add again and scan the third card. Then click finalize backup. Here we need to set an access code, which is a password. Now we will need to type this password in many times if you want to trade and do a lot of stuff, so then it's easier to have a short password. But of course having a longer password, like 8 digits, is safer. But make sure to write down the access code, because if you forget your access code, you need to have at least 2 of your Tangem wallet cards to be able to reset your access code and get access to your crypto when you use the seedless backup route. The next step is to scan each card. We begin with the first one and hold until the timer says success. Then we do the same with the second card. And lastly, the third card. Then the seedless setup is finished.